नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Students, we are going to start with the 8th part, and in 8th part we are going to do some next 5th and 6th question of practice set 6.2. These are the word problems based on trigonometry. We are going to do application of trigonometry. A storm broke a tree because of this तूफान जो आया था उसकी वजह से ट्री ब्रेक हो गया एंड ट्री टॉप रेस्टेड 20 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द ट्री. कितने मीटर पे वो ब्रेक हो गया और उसका टॉप कहां पे टच कर रहा है 20 मीटर, मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. तो एक काम करते हैं, हम लोग एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. ओके, आई विल ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. See, this is then height of the tree. Say we are going to write AB. AB is the height of the tree before storm. But because of this storm, this tree is broken at point P and its top touches the ground at point say Q. Means यही पार्ट यहां पे टच किया है, तो दिस AB is equal to PQ and it is making an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Okay, find the height of the tree. Means we have to find out height of the tree. Okay, have you understood this? So you are going to represent this and then you are going to find height of the tree. So what I would write plate in figure, segment AB represent height of the tree before where A is top and B is bottom of tree. B is the bottom of the tree and due to tree is broken at point P and its top touches ground at point Q. Such that measure of angle AQB is equal to 60 degree. Take it as equation 1. It is given. And AP is equal to PQ, because this part is only broken and touches the ground. Once again, I tell you, to do a storm, a tree is broken and its tree top touches the ground base, touches the rested, means it just touch, rested, broken and top rested, correct, on the ground at point Q. So AP is equal to PQ हो गया and angle made by the ground or horizontal is how much? 60 degree. So what they have asked to find the height of the tree. Is it right? Got it now? Now, in triangle PBQ, measure of angle ABQ is equal to 90 since AB is height of tree. हाइट का मतलब होता है परपेंडिकुलर हाइट. Therefore, ये भी आप लोग लिख सकते हैं. करेक्ट. Then, therefore, angle PBQ is equal to 60 degree. Sorry, it is equal to 90 degree. Correct? And angle PQB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, what I can say, now just see, we have to find out this is 20 meter. Which one? With that also you have to mention that length BQ is equal to 20 meter is equation 1, is equation 2, is equation 3. That is we can write from 2. Therefore, what I can say is, now you see, we know that it is 20. First of all, we have to find out what? PB. So, first of, according to this, if you see the figure, PBQ, हमें पहला PB निकालना है, because हमें तो पूरी हाइट निकालनी है AB. तो पहला हम लोग PB निकालें. PB और BQ भी क्या रिलेशन है? तो अपोजिट साइड एंड एडजेसेंट साइड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एंगल 60 डिग्री. So, I'll write tan angle PQB is equal to PB upon BQ. Now what I can write? Tan 60 degree is equal to PB, we don't know, but BQ is 20. Got it? So, from 1, and tan 60 is nothing but √3 is equal to PB upon 20, and √3 into 20 is equal to length PB. Length PB is equal to 20 √3 meters. This is your equation 4. Actually, we have to find out total height, but for that I know that AP is equal to PQ, so we find out PQ. Now we got this as what? 20 √3. So I can say that tan angle PQB is equal to, no sorry, sine, sine will back up. Sine is equal to PB upon PQ. Sine is nothing but sine 60 degree is equal to PB is 20 √3 and PQ we don't know. So sine 60 is √3 upon 2 is equal to 20 √3 upon PQ. Correct? So यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं tan 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू √3. यहाँ लिखेंगे हम लोग sin 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू √3 अपॉन 2. So PQ is equal to 20 √3 into 2 upon √3. √3 get cancelled. So what I can write is length PQ is equal to 40 meters. That will become, but AP is equal to PQ. AP is equal to PQ from 3. So length AP is equal to 40 meters. That I can take it as our equation 5. Have you understood this? Now, what I can do is, now just final thing is, Therefore, what I can write then? Height of tree before strong is equal to length AB. That is equal to length AP plus length PB, as A, P and B are collinear points. AP is nothing but 20 plus 20 root 3. But the thing is, they have not given the value of root 3. They should have given the value of root 3. हम लोग यहाँ root 3 का value रखते थे. They have not given. I am going to write meters. So this is the answer. The height of tree is equal to 20 plus 20 root 3 meter, and that you put in the box. This is your final answer. Okay, that is nothing but height of tree is equal to 20 plus 20 root 3 meters. This you are going to copy down it properly. Now it's the sixth question of practice set 6.2. last question है ये. A kite means पतंग is flying at the height of, height का मतलब perpendicular height होता है. Suppose if I am telling that this is the ground, K is the position of kite, तो उसका height जो है, height का मतलब होता है perpendicular height. This height is 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to kite, अभी जो string है रस्सी, मांझा बोलते हैं ना उसको, वो मांझा हमने क्या किया, टाइड किया at the ground. But usually ये जो आपकी पतंग है इस तरह से जाती है, कभी भी ऐसा straight नहीं रहता है. But assume करो कि वो straight है, मतलब हम लोग ये assume कर रहे हैं कि ये straight है. Okay, and it is tied at point T, where the something is missing. It make an angle of, assume that, okay, it make an angle of 60 degree with ground. So they told that it tied at the ground and it makes an angle of how much? 60 degree meter. Find the length of the string. Even they have given the value of what? Root 3. It's a very simple question that we have. What a question we did. This type of question we did in for the first question. तो उसका ये कॉपी है, तो इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. We can go it easily. तो ये आपका सोल्यूशन का डायग्राम है. We are going to draw diagram. Let in figure segment KA is height of, or we can write K. K is position of kite. Segment KA is height of kite above ground. So length KA is equal to 60 meter. I'm going to take an equation 1. Okay. T is a point on ground where string of kite is tied such that measure of angle KTA is equal to 60 degree. कितना रहेगा? KTA is 60 degree. You got it? And now they have asked that what is the find the length of the string. हमें KT निकालना है. हमें क्या निकालना है? KT निकालना है. So I'll directly go in triangle KAT. In triangle KAT, measure of angle KAT is equal to 90 degree as segment KA is height of kite. Height का मतलब ही होता है perpendicular height. So therefore now they have asked you the length of the string means KT निकालना है. तो what I'll do and KA दिया है. So according to this angle 60 degree, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So sine angle KTA, sine angle KTA is equal to KA upon KT. KA upon KT. Therefore, sine angle KTA, sine angle KTA, that is sine 60 degree, is equal to KA is 60 meter upon KT. You got it? Now, sine 30 is nothing but root 3 is equal to 60 upon KT. So length KT is equal to 60 upon root 3. But as they have given the value of root 3, what you are going to do is rationalize करो तुम लोग इसको. So what you are going to write? Rationalizing the denominator. So what you are getting is 60 root 3 upon 3. This becomes 20. 20 into 1.73. 0. 3 2s are 6. 14 and 3. It becomes 34.60. So what are you going to write at last? Therefore, the length of, here you can write, okay, what is that? Length of string is equal to 34.60 meters. That you are going to keep in a box, and is the answer. What they have given to you, just see. Students, I made a mistake with sine 60. Since sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2, तो हमें यहाँ पे root 2 लेना चाहिए था 2. So we are going to multiply by this 2. This becomes 120 into root 3. So 120 root 3 upon 3 is nothing but 40. So this becomes 40. 40 का कैसा रहेगा देखो वापस. 0, 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28, 29. Correct? 2 is there. 41s are 40. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is 60. So what you got is 69.20. What is the answer then? 69.20 meter. I'll repeat it. A kite is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground. The string is attached to the kite is tied at the ground. If it make an angle of almost 60 degree with the ground, assume that string is straight. Find the length of the string. And root 3 का value दिया 1.73. What I did, I draw a figure. K is the position of kite and इसका height दिया है ना, तो Ka is the height of the kite from the ground. It is 60 meters. And KT is what? KT is a string, correct? And such that what I can write, string of the weather. So what I can write over here, KT is length of string. So measure of angle KT is 60 degree. In triangle KAT, this is 90 degree. So they have given KA and we have to find out KT, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So we are going to make use of what? Root sine 60 degrees is equal to root 60 meters upon KT. I cross multiply, I got 69.2 meters. So length of the string is how much? 69.2 meters. Okay, this is your final answer. Now you copy down it properly by pausing the video. Now students, we have completed with word problems, and they have given some question as a solved question. So please do all, I think 4 or 5 questions are there. So go through it. All questions are important. Okay. And when we have completed this all questions, you'll get idea. And you can do by your way, because their method will be little bit different as what we did. Method is not different, but the way we had done as compared to us, it is little bit. So we can do by our method, our way. Okay. Now we are going to start with problem set 6. Choose the correct alternative answers for the following question. That is nothing but MCQ. अगर ये टॉपिक आपने प्रॉपरली हर एक लेक्चर्स को हमने प्रॉपरली देखा है या लिख के लिया है, तो नॉट अ सिंगल एमसीक्यू और 4 MCQs are there. Not a single MCQ is difficult. Okay, so what we can do is I have written all the 4 MCQs. Okay, so you pause video and you try to do your own. It is not a single MCQ is difficult if you know all the concepts of trigonometry. It is hardly we can do it very easily. So pause the video and do your own. Okay, so see now, first question. We are having one formula, sin theta into cosec theta. So hint is sin theta into cosec theta. A formula is there. Starting में हम वो formula लिख देते हैं. So this is there, ना? So answer is A. What is the answer? Answer is A, and this is the A. You got it now? If you see the table, we know how to draw the table. We have studied that cosec 45 is nothing but from table. This is hint. From table, we have studied that sin 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. Therefore, cosec 45 was root 2. This is your answer. So your answer is B, correct? And value is root 2. Again, we have derived from formula. First formula was sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second was 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So that was the formula. So what are you going to write? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So your answer is C, and it is nothing but sec square theta. Come to the last question. We have, when we see at the higher level, I have given the definition of horizontal line, line of vision, angle of elevation, angle of depression. तो ये हायर लेवल पे देख रहे हैं. हायर लेवल पे मतलब ये है horizontal. So your answer is A, and it is nothing but angle of, if this is your answer, answer A, angle of elevation. So you have to complete this.
This is your answer. So, go bit.